Hi Year 7, I'm just going to go over how to submit your Animorph task and just the requirements that we need you to do. So just pretend this is your classroom page. If we scroll down, you'll see there's a task 8 complete, creating your own Photoshop Animorph. Alright, and now if we just view that assignment. Okay, here's the instructions for the task. I won't go through all of that, but this is the submission details. You are to submit the following 3 files as part of your submission. A JPEG file of your completed Animorph. I'll show you how to save as a JPEG in a moment. A quality photograph of your chosen drawing with your student card sitting next to it. This should have detail and be shaded with tone. So this is your physical drawing that's on a piece of paper or in your book of your Animorph done back in week 6, where you would have combined 3 to 4 different animals in a drawing, and you would have drawn that with detail and tone. You are to take a picture of that with your student card next to it, or your school diary, anything with your name on it, and that is proof that is your drawing. Okay, so make sure you do this. And the third is a screenshot of your layers palette in Photoshop. Alright, I'm going to show you how to do that again. Now each file, this is important boys, because I'm going to be marking them by downloading the file, and if I download all the files for the class and they're not named right, I'm not going to know whose they are. So it is important that you name it as last.firstname.task. Mine would be alexander.catherine.photoshop Animorph. Okay, right, let's jump over to Photoshop. So pretend this is your completed Animorph. Okay, ready to go. I need to save it for a JPEG for Miss. We go to File, Save as Copy, not Save As, Save as Copy, and you should get a JPEG option from in the drop-down menu. Okay, just the normal JPEG, and you'll save it as alexander.catherine, your name of course, completed Animorph or Animorph. Okay, that's the first file. The second file, of course, is your photo of your drawing with your student card next to it. Now the third one is your layers palette. To do that, you need to expand your layers palette. Okay, so you might find that yours looks something like this, and how do you take a screenshot of that? You can't see all of the layers. So the easiest way to do that is to click and drag it over to here, to the top, and it should expand itself. If it doesn't expand itself, you can pull it up and down like that. Now I should see all your layers named. Naughty me, I haven't named those bottom ones, but your layers should be named, okay? And you're going to take a screenshot of that. We're going to use the snipping tool to do that. Now I've got mine pinned to the bar, but if you just search in here, snipping, you'll see the snipping tool. Click on that. You might have another way to do a screenshot, and that's okay too. I'm going to go to New. I'm going to drag it over my layers palette. Click. Alright, and now it's taken the snip. We go to File, we go to Save As, and you'll save it into the appropriate folder, and then you'll upload it to Classroom. So I hope that helped you 7. They are the couple of files that you need to submit, and then you'll submit to this task 8 complete. You should be getting some feedback in week 2, which I'd like you to use before you submit into week 3. If you have not received a comment and you would like some feedback, please just add a comment. I'm happy to give you feedback or help you along the way. Thank you.